Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the exposure of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, and after that press on adjustments down below and press on exposure, and you can manage the exposure here to the degree that you want. After that you can continue editing, or you can just leave your project and save it, but either way you can save the edit if you want to. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.